You can make plasma in a microwave. This sure as heck is entertaining, and it's like mind-blowing that you can do this in your home. I do not advise this by any means because I do not know how safe it is, but I am gonna show you guys how cool it is because that's how savages do. We don't think it through.
Just because it's cool doesn't mean it's safe.
Yeah.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
We are here giving you more of something you didn't ask for in the first place. We are going to be dropping micro videos throughout the week just to give you that fix until we drop our bigger videos on Wednesdays. So these micro videos are things that aren't going to stand up for, you know, full longer videos, but they'll give you just as much entertainment in a smaller fraction of time. We try to post them before 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time.
So I come outside, the lunchbox, it's got this cable running through his nice little patio. So I follow this thing. Now look, it's going. And this extension cord goes right next to this puddle of water. And it goes all the way up into this. A random microwave sitting on his patio. Apparently, Lunchbox is gonna be making some plasma today. I get to take part. You guys get to take part. So follow us along on this random adventure.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. Today, you take matches. Any standard box matches would work fine.
Chubby matches work the best.
Chubby matches. The reason we have stick matches is because they stand up better, and then you take a glass. And what you're gonna do is strike the match, put the glass over it, and then start the microwave, and the magic will happen. Let's get to it. You ready to rock and roll?
I am. Let's get this going.
Put a match in there.
There.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Let me set up the camera.
I don't think it worked.
You didn't do it fast enough.
Dude, it was still lit.
It went out.
You getting some matches, getting some matches.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more
Crazy, dude.
to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send with me tonight. I'm gonna run. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared.